What's going on, everybody? This is Brendan. The channel is Dad Planet, and you are watching the One Man Show. So we're going to go to a thrift store and a couple of garage sales in this video. And quite honestly, I usually do better cumulatively at the thrift stores, but that was not the case this time. I did extremely well at one of these garage sales. In particular, a very big high dollar bolo that I want to feature for you. A lot of interesting things from the thrift store too. A couple of items that I've never really seen before. And so I'm just going to let the data do the talking, and you guys know the rest. Everything else in between. Come along for the ride with me and let's go shop. Couple of really unique items this trip to the thrift store, even though I wasn't there very long. I did find a few things that of course have some nice value. This first thing here, Nature Tint, I'm gonna let the app data do the thinking for me. So I scanned this UPC code. Always use a UPC code as a keyword where you can in your listings. So 15 currently listed, 13 have sold in the last 90 days for this color gel. I'll probably list it for $15, but the data is very clearly saying that there is a very good market for these items. So I'm going to get that listed. Very easy to ship, very easy to photograph, and for only $2.99 I will take it. So even though it's a smaller seller, it will sell, and it'll sell in a decent amount of time. So next thing here, they want $7.99 for this glass case. I really am only interested in the soap. So I went up to the counter and the manager was like, hey, I'll sell you the soaps for $2.99, or excuse me, for $1.99. So for $2 I got these Roger and Gallet soaps from Paris. They're just like hotel soaps, but lotted up together, I'm pretty sure I can get $25 for them. There's some green tea in there that I think would be popular just based on recent sales, but like lotted up together, I think $25 would be fair for those soaps. So I'm gonna pick those up. I'm not, however, gonna grab these North Face boots. They look like they might be a youth size or a very small size. So US size 4, UK size 3. I'm just not going to do it. My success with youth anything is very low. The prices never really work out in my favor. I'm just generally bad at picking youth items up. So I'm going to leave those behind, even though I really do like that brand, because I just don't think that I can get them sold in a decent amount of time. So nice canvas shoes there from Polo Ralph Lauren, but I'm passing those up. It's probably the wrong season for them. Next thing here, I've never seen this before, a really interesting plush. So it is a Disney Tomorrowland Alien Encounter Skippy plush. I've never seen this tag before, Mouska Toys, and you can see that it says Skippy right there. It's got a UPC code, and the tag is an official Walt Disney World tag, even though that one that was hanging from the ear area wasn't familiar to me. I couldn't recognize it. These look like they are selling in the $30 range brand new, and I can sell this brand new because it does still have the tags and it looks clean. There's no scratches on the eyes. So $30 for that. That was a pretty interesting find, even though plush is usually $1 to $2 in this store. They had it marked $5.99, but knowing that it's going to sell for $30, I'm still okay with paying $6 for it. Of course, I would like to, pay the $2 price, but almost a guaranteed sale because the tags were still attached, so I can sell it brand new. Other than that, not a ton going on in this store. Everybody was shopping the carts and they weren't coming out very fast, but I did find this here. So this is a Takashi Murakami pancake pan. Now, for those of you that don't know, he is a Japanese contemporary artist, and just to give you a comparison, his level of influence in Japan kind of rivals Andy Warhol's here in the United States. So he's very popular. It's kind of an anime style, and this pan is not easy to get in the US. So I'm going to list this for $30. And I don't know if you can see on that red tag, it's only $1.99, but that was a pretty exciting find because those are not easy to get here in the States. They sell better, obviously, in Japan. So I'm going to scoop that. I'm going to leave this For Moms Mamaru cover behind. I looked it up. I could only get maybe $20 for it. They want $6 for it. And even though it is, or at least it looks brand new, those usually come in a box. So I'm not really sure that I could get away with selling it brand new. I could sell it brand new outside the box, but 6 over 20, I'm not gonna really mess with that. So we'll move on here. Bolo brand here, Cotopaxi. I could probably get $20 for this shirt, but there is a little bit of a stain on the front. If you're not familiar with this brand, please look it up. It is a Bolo brand. Their puffer jackets sell for a high dollar amount. Their backpacks sell for a high dollar amount. So keep this brand in mind. Great, great Bolo brand. I had to leave this shirt behind. And there's one thing that I actually forgot to photograph. I got an Energy subwoofer. The model is ESW C8 when I was shopping this store. They only want $8 for it. I think I'm going to list mine for $60. So all in all, in just this very quick trip to this store, I only spent $21, and the listed value will end up being $160 for everything that I found this trip. But that last brand, Cotopaxi, great bolo brand. Keep your eye out.
Good morning.
How'd you do it at rummage sale?
It was actually not as good as we thought it would be,
Yep.
but the spring one I think
This
is
is scrapbooking material.
usually the
And scrapbooking material.
Yeah, we didn't have as much stuff as we normally do.
it's okay. Am I free to look? Are we
Go ahead.
too early?
Yeah, there's a
All
lot
right.
of electronics. You'll be
Oh,
happy here.
I'll take a look. Thank you so much.
First thing I grab here is an Oculus Rift. It's an older model. She wanted $50 for it. That's what I paid. I always part these out. The model number is CV1. I've actually already sold the headset. I'll put my sold comp on the screen here. Sold the headset for $65, and I still have all the other components. Then there's 3 sealed Rock Band games that I grab. All 3 of those were listed for over $50, and I've already sold one. I'll put the comp on the screen for $47, I believe.
We did at the rummage.
You know what? I saw a couple of them there. I
Yeah,
did.
It was a PlayStation with a bunch of games.
Yeah.
The Oculus.
Is this thing working okay?
Yep.
All
That's a
right.
good price on the Oculus.
All right. Okay. And then are you guys just doing cash?
Yes.
Prices are good on
Yeah,
those.
that's a really good deal on that Oculus.
yeah.
This thing right here is still selling on eBay for a lot, but
What do you have there? Print.
50.
No, what is it? Just a regular old. Oh, it's a photo printer.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And this
Okay.
is brand new.
This doesn't look like it was ever opened.
No, it hasn't.
Harmony Universal Remote, only wanted $1 on that. Got that listed, and I've already sold that for $30. Grabbed the Cyborg 3D controller, already sold that for $25. I think she wanted 2 for it. Amazing photo scanner right there. They had $25 on that. Had to find the plug, did find it, and I currently have that listed for $3.99, $400. Headed over to another garage sale. Saw some Pokemon cards here. This is from the Evolution set 2016. There's nothing like of huge value in any of these cards. Probably enjoy them with my daughters here. There was a Charizard and there was a promo card. Charizard's usually the hardest one to find, so I'd probably get $15, $20 for that card.
One I've ever seen. Usually put one smaller.
Yeah, it's a full decoration. You don't need anything else in it.
Yeah. It's electric.
Did end up grabbing this pink Starbucks tumbler from 2019. Very good comps on that guy there, so I'm going to grab that. I have that listed for $30. I expect it to sell in a pretty decent amount of time.
Mind if I just set a few things over here so that I can free up my hands a little bit?
Sure.
Thanks so much.
There was a guy here before me who grabbed a bunch of looked like full Lego sets. These are some of just the random Lego boxes. Nothing in here, no minifigures, so I end up passing on those.
All right, I think I've had enough fun. What do I owe you?
All right. Let's see here. Oh, yeah. Can I put my calculator up?
How much?
How much are these shirts? A dollar.
Okay.
50 cents maybe, I think.
You can round up. I won't have the hold you to the change. You can keep the hanger, of course.
18.
18? All right.
Let me just grab these
20 for you.
stickers off.
There's 2 back.
All right. Thank you so
you.
much. Absolutely.
Thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, sure. Thanks again.
In and out just like a robbery. Brendan here, Dad Planet, the one-man show. Hit that like button if you liked what you saw or you learned something today, and then always consider becoming a member of the Dad Planet family by subscribing and hitting the bell notification icon so that you know every single time I upload a video to YouTube. That's it. That's all I've got for you today. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you in the next video.